How to change your TikTok country, region, location. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change a country or region or location on TikTok app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up the TikTok app and make sure you have updated your app first of all. And after updating, you just need to open up your app and log in into your account. After that, simply go to the profile section and here tap on the menu bar. After that, simply go to settings and privacy. After that, simply tap on account, and the next step is tapping on account information. After that, you'll be easily able to see this account region option. You just need to tap on this, and in order to switch to another country, you'll be able to see bunch of countries option here. So you just need to select one of the countries here. I'm just going to select Vietnam for now. After that, you need to confirm it. And here it says you cannot update region. To update account region, you need to meet these requirements. So you just need to have these requirements in order to change your country region to another country. After that, simply tap on OK. And that's how you basically change your region. If that doesn't work, you may just use a VPN that is available on Google Play Store. You may just use it. After that, reopen the TikTok app and get back here. After getting back here, you just need to get to the settings and this time go to content preferences. You just need to click on this refresh your For You feed. After that, click on it and tap on continue and tap on refresh. After that, you may just choose a region or cross it out and your account contents will be refreshed and it will start showing you the contents of the country that you've selected as your region on your VPN. So therefore, by following this method, you can change the country region on your VPN on your TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.